Okay, guys. I didn't say it in the live because my live it just randomly ended. So like, if you're watching this right now, then there are more fireworks.
Oh wait, Levi, you get two. I get two.
My live it got disabled. I don't know why. I was gonna ask. Oh, it was probably because I didn't say that I was with my mom and my TT and my grandma. But anyways, look at these. And guys, I'm sorry if the quality looks like it's raining right now, but it's not raining. Huh? Woo! Whoa.
Is you recording it, Kylie?
Yes, I'm recording it.
Was you finished right there?
Bro, no. Shut up. Bro, I thought a light bug just got on me.
What's the stick? No, you're laughing at now.
Guys, I bet y'all wish y'all was here right now.
Wait, what if there are here? Because look, it's something to forget.
Not all of my viewers that watch my videos are here right now, Peyton.
I know. But maybe some are here. Because look, it's a lot of people.
Oh! I'm talking about my viewers in like different countries and stuff, Peyton.
Some imaginary countries.
Why are you talking to your imaginary friend during this beautiful masterpiece?
Because she keep talking. What's your countries?
Tell your imaginary best friend to stop talking. Cause this deserves silence.
Stop talking on
What's your country? Oh, that's not what I meant, but.
Yes, you do. What's your country? Granny!
Whoa!
What's your countries? Granny!
I'm sorry if I have bad recording, guys.
Yo!
It's not my fault if I have bad recording. Probably the phone I got. Even though it's supposed to be a good quality phone, but oh well, I don't even care. At least I got a phone. Whoa! Did he just cuss?
Don't look at me like that.
Whoa!
Jackson.
These are so cool.
Hey, this is
Bro.
Disneyland fireworks. Wait, didn't
It's better than the Disneyland fireworks from the beginning of the Disney movie. It's better than St. Joseph.
what the heck?
Whoa!
What?
What the heck is that Jesus?
What did you say?
Look at it falling down. That looks so satisfying. Boom. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It looks like thunder when I'm looking at it through my phone. I don't know why.
Wait, that definitely
Wait, no, not thunder. Lightning. I'm slow. Cause
that kind of is like the same.
thunder and lightning are not the same thing. Lightning is the light, and thunder is the sound. You ain't know that? This is wild right now, bro. Whoa! I'm so excited to. Bro, I should have worn that glow in the dark ring I got for my birthday party. Whoa! Whoa! Jeez! They're coming straight at us, bro. Bro. Eek, eek.
That would kind of look like a planet.
That jump scared me! It's shining so bright! Guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if y'all don't see it because it keeps going so bright.
Are you single?
What? Wait, who? Whoa, boy!
Nah. What you talking about, man? That's
And that'd be a prank.
Oh, boy.
Sorry, I'll be. This person was talking to me.
No!
Bree, move your big old head. Yes. Bro, imagine if one of the fireworks they shaped the form of Mickey Mouse. That would be wild. That would be even better than Disney at that point.
Kyler, I think one of them was being weird saying, am I single? Are we gonna date or something? Like, how old are you?
Huh?
14. What? Don't even try. My brother is 14. What you talking about?
He said 13. How does Brookie not even know his own friend's name? And then he's gonna call him his friend.
I said, wait, how old are you? Again? Bro,
Cause
13,
an age gap 5 or older is gonna be a creep. Bam! No, that's I can't say that on camera. I'm sorry, I didn't mean that.
Hey, look.
Alright guys, that was it for the fireworks. Again, I'm so sorry that the live ended on them.
This got to get like million views.
Oh my god, just shut up. I already said that before.
I
Alright, have a good day guys. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.